Hello, hello GVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, faculty of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is OPG, orthopentography. Many steps include introductions, principle of panoramic image layer and panoramic machine, film, patient positioning, indication, advantage, disadvantage, conclusions. Panoramic image. Panoramic imaging, also called pantomography, is a technique for producing a single tomographic image of facial structure that include both the maxillary and mandibulary, dental arch and their supporting structure. This is a curvilinear variant of conventional tomography. Principle of panoramic image formation. Objects in front or behind this image are not clearly captured because of their movement relative to the center of rotation of the receptor and the X-ray source. The pivotal point or axis around which the cassette, carrier and tube head rotate is termed rotation center. This term rotation center. Three basic rotation center used in panoramic radiography. Double center rotation, triple center rotation, moving center rotation. The location and number of rotational center influence size and shape of focal throw. Parts of panoramic units. X-ray tube head, head positioner include chin rest, notch bite block, forehead rest, lateral head support, exposure control. Again, X-ray tube head positioner, chin rest, notch bite block, forehead rest, lateral head support, exposure control. X-ray tube head, similar to intraoral X-ray tube head. It has a filament to produce electrons and a target to produce X-ray. Colorimeter is a lead plate with narrow vertical slit. Narrow X-ray beam emerge from colorimeter minimize patient exposure to radiations. Tube head is fixed in position and rotate behind the patient head. Film positioner is used to align the patient teeth accurately in focal throw. Cassette. It is a device used to hold the extraoral film and intensify screen. Light tight to protect the film from exposure. Two types, rigid and flexible. Orthopantography. Orthopantography panoramic ortho strat panoramic and abstract or a complete view of the object in every direction. Tomography an X-ray technique for making radiograph of layer of tissue in depth without the interference of the tissue above and below that level. Single image of facial structure that include maxillary and mandibulary arch and that supporting structures. Advantage: broad anatomic coverage, low patient radiation dose, convenience of examination, use in patient unable to open mouth. Panoramic X-ray use film screen imaging system which required 82% less radiation than study vary but most accurate. The newest panoramic X-ray machine will produce a film with the same radiation as 1 to 2 periapical. Disadvantage: does not show the fine anatomic detail, magnification, distortion, overlap image of teeth, and expensive. Indications: evaluation of trauma, third molars, large lesions, tooth development, developmental anomaly, and intolerant to intraoral procedure. Factors for interpretation: principle of image formation, technique of patient positioning, radiographic appearance of normal anatomic structures. Principles: X-ray sources rotate. So the central ray constantly passes through the center of rotation of disc first and both discs second, and the film collimator rotate about the center of disc first, while disc to move film on this disc rotate first the slit. Patient positioning: removal of all metallic object, demonstrate the machine, drape with lead apron, dental arch, locate in focal throw, midline positioning, chin place in the chin rest, back and spine erect. OPG, orthopantogram, and scipulogram are types of dental X-ray. OPG and orthopantogram and scipulogram are types of dental X-ray, and OPG produce a panoramic view of the jaw, while scipulogram is an X-ray of the facial structure. OPG are commonly performed and generally safe. However, in order to make an informed decision and give your consent, you need to be aware of the possible risks, or you will be exposed to some X-ray radiation, but the amount you receive is not considered to be harmful. Thank you.